Hello guys, this is Sam. I just wanted to show you guys today how you can connect your Android phone to the TV. Now you need to have a smart TV, of course, and you have to have Samsung DeX, which should be, if you have your phone updated, you should have it in your phone already. So let's go ahead and show you where it is. So when you pull down the notifications window or pop-up, you'll go to, you should see this icon right here, DeX, right here. It's not focusing right now, but yeah, so it's right there, DeX. And once you have that showing up, if it's not showing up, just go ahead and tap on the three button icons right here and the menu, and then you can go to button order and find it here. You should have it if you have the latest Android OS. Okay, so once it is showing up, you've made sure that it's showing up here in this window, you're going to go ahead and tap on well, before you tap on that button, you also have to make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi. That the TV and your phone should be on the same Wi-Fi. Once they are on the same Wi-Fi, you're going to go ahead and turn on your TV. You're going to go ahead and turn it on. And you will go back to your phone and tap on the DeX button right here, icon. It's gonna ask you start Samsung DeX on TV. You tap on start now. And now you can see my desktop is showing up on the TV. Then what you can do is, another cool feature is that you can swipe down on your phone once it's connected, and you can click on or tap on the use your phone as a touchpad. Use your phone as a touchpad. Just go ahead and tap on it, and now your phone has turned into a trackpad. Now if I go ahead and move the cursor on my phone screen, you can see how it's moving on the TV. So that's basically it, guys. Please go ahead and like, comment, and share my video. And there will be a lot more content to come. Please go ahead and stay safe, stay tuned, and stay blessed.